Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to be conducting an experiment with some leftovers. But first I want to show you some dried results I've been promising to show you, and I don't think I've shown you this one yet. This was kind of an iris-inspired pour I did a while back, and I'm very happy with the final results. I just love these lines, how they just changed up the negative space, and I feel tied it all together. I'm very happy with that. Have not yet varnished it. With the leftovers from this one, I poured this piece, and together, I think side by side, they're quite pretty. So there they are. Now, today, I'm using leftovers. I stepped away, I don't know if you heard that. Today I'm using leftovers from this ring and ribbon pour I did. It's all dry now, and it dries smooth as silk, that polyacrylic mix. I'm loving it. And I have leftover, a little bit leftover from each one of those paints. So I'm going to do another pour on a smaller canvas. But this time I'm going to add a little cloud mix to it. Let me get a little closer now. There we go. Yes, so I think I have leftovers of every color from that pour, or practically everyone, but not a lot. So that was the polyacrylic mix, as I said, but then I mix up some cloud mix, which is just Floetrol, satin enamel, and a little bit of water. I'll put the details down below. No additional white was added to it. So let's see how that interacts with the polyacrylic mix. I don't believe I've ever tried that before. So here we go. I love starting with the dark. If you're interested in the colors, you'll, well, I can cut and paste colors from the previous pour. Do I have a stick here? I do not. Okay. I'm really enjoying these colors. These are very similar to the two first ones I showed you. Not exactly the same, but very similar. But after this pour, I'm ready to move on to a different combo. This is that lovely Arteza Pistachio. Oh, I've forgotten the cloud mix. Yeah, cloud mix. So let me pour some of that from up high, right in the center. This, I believe, is Payne's Gray. Got quite a bit of that. I'm going to come back to that. Oh, this needs stirring. One moment. Okay. Cloud mix. Back to the Payne's Gray. I'm scraping right-handed. It's so awkward because, as you may know, I'm a lefty. Okay. You know, I'm going to scrape all of them. I hate to leave any paint behind. Pistachio. Whatever this is, I don't recall. I think it may have been Viridian green with white, or white with just a touch of Viridian. I think I scraped that already. And what's this? Okay, this little cloud mix, and then we're ready to roll. Okay. And here we go. Now, when I did that last large round one, I scraped up all the drippings, and I do have some of that left, so I may use it as a flow extender. And here we go. So the experiment today is seeing how the cloud mix interacts with the polyacrylic mix. If at all. I'm not going to do ribbons. Okay. Some cloud effect over there. That's pretty. Now let's, I'll move it around a little bit, then I'll apply this around the edges. Or maybe I should do that now. That would make more sense. So this is all those colors combined. Okay. I try to keep my recipes as simple as possible. So my cloud mix is simply Floetrol, satin enamel, and a bit of water. And again, I'll detail it down below. Okay. Should I torch it? Let's see if I have any juice. Yes, I do. And here we go. Just slowly rotating to get to close to the edges. I won't go over just yet. And once that is done, I will size up the the composition to see what I want to keep and what can go. This is very pretty over here. I like that. Honestly, I'm not crazy about the effect of the cloud mix with this, so I might lose some of that. Okay. Well, I like this. It's just not doing anything composition-wise. I don't like that. This straight line here, that's got to change. So I'm going to have to lose some of that. Or I could lose that instead. Got that weird bony finger thing again. I don't love those shapes. Okay, I'm going to lose those. The colors are pretty, but I'm not really liking the appearance. So what shall I do? Should I take a hair dryer to it? I am. I'm not enjoying this very much, so I'm going to remove my gloves. And there's just too much of this color, that aqua. So I'm going to try the hair dryer. I'll just select parts of it. Try to move some of this dark blue into there. Pretty. I think it's more interesting than it was. I'm not loving it. What if I were to skewer? That didn't do much. Hmm. You know, I don't hate it. And those were not anything good. In fact, let me rectify that with a little let those go away. I don't hate it. So the cloud, that was a fail. That's kind of interesting in there. I like the stripey thing going on here and the blowing out some areas. The colors are really pretty. That's the plus. Let's see how it compares with that one. Well, I'll bring in closer. Kind of some iridescent things happening there, which is kind of nice. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. Tell me what you think, my friends. Thanks for watching. Bye now.